It is said that this is planet Earth, but no, it's planet water. Why? It's because everything relies on water. We chill, we eat, we heal, we breathe, and most of all, we get a lot of information from the same trees. All of that I've mentioned, they rely on water. Before these bricks have been manufactured, water had to take place, so schools have been created by us human beings from the same energy that we get from the same water. A little drop may make one smile and make them survive through fresh and clean water. But now, imagine a world without water. There will be no existence. There will be no reason to smile. There would be no contact with the natural features of the world. Help us save water, South Africa. Help us save lives. Help us save creation. Help us save everything because indeed, water is everything and water is everywhere.